Hello, welcome to PDJ Vibro. Today we are looking at a TBT 150 that's been brought back as a part exchange unit. We've got a client that's taken up Rishi Sunak's super deductive deal. So they've partaked their old machine, they've had it for a few years, and this one's going to be coming available in a few weeks once it's had a full nut and bolt stripped down restoration on it, and that will come up very, very nice. The other machine that we have that's come into stock is our ever popular EVP-RA 100. It's about a 1 meter diameter machine. It's available with the acoustic lid. That's been through the process for a full strip down and rebuild. Got parts unload, and will come with a 12-month warranty on motor and lining. If you are interested in either of these machines, or perhaps you'd be interested in purchasing a brand new unit, we've got plenty in stock, so do give us a call on 01908 648 757. Speak to our experts with decades of experience to make sure you get exactly the right piece of kit. Thank you.